Welcome to the VidPro AI Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to record a video message with a screen in VidPro AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Video Messenger. Now choose your message type. Now you can record your video message with a screen sharing. Just select the screen you want to share. Now you can record your video message with a shared screen. Use this feature to enhance your reach.
We are here to introduce VidPro AI Studio, a platform where you can craft dynamic videos using various video messages and audio messages.
Once you are done recording, click on Stop. Now click on Save and Continue. Now enter your video title and description. You can use AI Content Finder to find AI content for your video. Now choose the language of your video. Choose the language in which you want to convert your video. Click on Next, and here you can customize your video player. We will cover detailed functionality of video message player settings in upcoming videos. Once you are done, click on Submit and your video message is ready. You can copy your video message URL. You can open your video message URL. You can play your video. Play your video in your desired language.
Nous sommes ici pour vous présenter VidPro AI Studio, une plateforme où vous... Estamos aquí para presentar VidPro AI Studio, una plataforma donde puede ver videos dinámicos microvirtuales.
You can share and embed your video message on any platform. Or you can share it via mail also. You can see your video message in the My Video Messages section. We will cover the detailed functionality of My Video Messages section in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video.